Gyeongbokgung Palace area walking tour information. Gyeongbokgung Palace area walking tour schedule. We are pleased to provide you with the walking tour itinerary. Information on the driving tour guide is also available upon request. To book your walking tour, phone inquiry 02-888-0582. KakaoTalk Inquiry thanksai. The area surrounding Gyeongbokgung Palace is where Seoul's history and modern culture coexist, offering a concentration of attractive places that can fill a whole day of walking tours. Here is a guide to the main walking tour. Courses centered around Gyeongbokgung East Bukchon, West Seochon, and directly in front of the main gate, Gwanghwamun area. Recommended Gyeongbokgung walking tour itinerary. 1. Areas adjacent to the palace essential day trip course. Location. Highlights. Walking time from Gyeongbokgung. Gwanghwamun Square, located right in front of the main gate Gwanghwamun, featuring statues of King Sejong the Great and Admiral Yi Sun-sin. It's the perfect starting point for the tour. Nyeolmun Gyeongbokgung Main Gate, National Palace Museum of Korea, located next to Hungyemun, the second gate inside Gyeongbokgung, housing artifacts from the Joseon Royal Court. Within 5 minutes, National Folk Museum of Korea, located near the east side Gyeonchonmun Gate of Gyeongbokgung, offering a glimpse into traditional Korean life and culture. Ding Churmin, Cheonghwa-dae, including its surrounding road. By exiting through Sinmumun Gate North Gate of Gyeongbokgung, you can walk along the premises and road in front of the former presidential residence. Excellent for a pleasant stroll along the palace wall. Fandimin. 2. East Side Hanok and Traditional Culture, towards Bukchon. Walking along the east wall of Gyeongbokgung leads directly to Bukchon Hanok Village. Samcheongdong-gil, 80 Street running along the east side of Gyeongbokgung, famous for its charming galleries, trendy cafes, and unique shops. Bukchon Hanok Village, a traditional Korean village that retains 600 years of Seoul's history. The Bukchon 8 scenic views are essential photo spots. Gyeongbokgung Palace Jeongmyo Shrine, continuing through Bukchon, you can reach the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Gyeongbokgung Palace and Jeongmyo Shrine. Approx. 20-30 min walk from Gyeongbokgung to Gyeongbokgung National Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, MMCA Seoul, located at the beginning of Samcheongdong on the east side of Gyeongbokgung, allowing visitors to enjoy both the ancient palace and modern art. 3. West Side Art and Markets and Gourmet, towards Seochon. The west wall area of Gyeongbokgung, near Yeongchemun Gate, is called Seochon, known for its quiet, emotional charm. Tongan Market A, traditional market famous for its dosarak lunchbox. Cafe, where you can buy food using traditional brass coins, Yupjeon. Great for diverse street food. Daelim Museum, Boan Yagwon. Art museums and galleries are concentrated here, offering an artistic atmosphere. House of Yi Sangpark Nosu Art Museum, a chance to trace the footsteps of literary and artistic figures and enjoy the tranquil mood of Seochon. Hyoja Bakery Sejong Village Food Culture Street, a cluster of famous Seochon eateries and cafes, perfect for meals or snacks. Adding Insadong and Seosulagil to the tour. Insadong Street. Insadong is a street that represents Korean traditional culture and art, located between the east side of Gyeongbokgung, Bukchon, and Jongno. Characteristics of the street. The road connecting Anggukdong four-way intersection to Jongno, Tuge, is lined with antique shops, art galleries, traditional tea houses, and local restaurants. Key attractions. Samsigil, an iconic cultural complex in Insadong, featuring uniquely designed craft and souvenir shops and cafes. Address 30-1, Insadonggil, Jongno-gu, Seoul. Traditional tea houses and Hanjeong-sik. Many restaurants offer traditional teas and Korean court cuisine in serene Hanok traditional house settings. Extra tip: Insadong Street is operated as a car-free street on weekends, providing a more pleasant environment for pedestrians. Seosulagil southeast direction. Adding Seosulagil provides a complete course covering palaces, quiet stone walls, cultural streets, and modern sensibility. Area, location, highlights. Added walking time from Insadong, southeast Jeongmyo. Seosulagil, Jeongmyo Stonewall Road, Iksundong Hanok Village. A quiet and charming 800-meter path following the Yeongmyo Stone Wall, recently emerging as a hotspot for the MZ generation. Fwakujirmin, Seosulagil is a tranquil 800-meter-long path along the western stone wall of Gyeongmyo. Shrine of Zongmyo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was named for its location, west of the path used by the Joseon dynasty's patrol soldiers, Sonlagun. Main charm. It maintains a serene atmosphere amidst the city bustle, with the beautiful Gyeongmyo stone wall embracing the path, making for an atmospheric walk year-round. Culture ambiance, boutique cafes, wine bars, and jewelry workshops, converted from old hanoks, are quietly tucked away, offering a distinct charm from Bukchon or Insadong. It is also known as a craft-specialized street. Recommended walking connections: Gyeongbokgung Palace Tour, Bukchon Hanok Village, and Samcheongdong-gil Exploration. Insadong, street traditional culture and shopping. Seoul-gil Tranquil Cafe Craft Shop walk along the Gyeongmyo Wall. Jongno 3ga Station or Ikseondong Hanok Village Conclusion Meal. About Gyeongmyo Shrine, Zongmyo, the soul of the Joseon royal family. Gyeongmyo is the highest state shrine where the memorial tablets, Sinju of the deceased kings and queens of the Joseon dynasty, are enshrined and ancestral rites are performed. It is a highly sacred and important space, symbolizing the legitimacy and roots of the Joseon dynasty. 1. Historical significance. Founding, it was built even before Gyeongbokgung Palace by King Taejo Seonggi after the establishment of Joseon and the relocation of the capital to Hanyang, emphasizing its status as the foundation of the nation. Founded in 1395, UNESCO World Heritage in 1995, it was designated a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site, recognizing both the architectural value and the fact that its ancestral rites, Gyeongmyo Jeri and Gyeongmyo Jeriaki, have been preserved in their original form to this day. Symbol of Confucianism, an architectural representation of the Confucian principles of filial piety and ancestral worship, carried out at the state level. 2. Key architectural features. Cheongjeonjeongdian, Main Hall, scale and majesty, the central building of Gyeongmyo, where the memorial tablets of the most esteemed kings and queens are enshrined. It currently holds 49 tablets in 19 gimseal chambers. Grandeur of a single wooden structure. Gyeongjeon is considered one of the longest, simplest, yet most magnificent wooden buildings in the East. Its extremely restrained straight-line structure, devoid of decoration, maximizes the sacred and solemn atmosphere. Yeongnyeongjeon Yongjudian, Hall of Eternal Peace. Subsidiary shrine, meaning a place praying for the eternal peace of ancestors. This is where tablets from Gyeongjeon are moved after a certain period, or if the king's reign merit was not as significant. It is smaller than Gyeongjeon, with slightly different architectural styles. Walde Yuetai, stone platform, wide courtyard. A large stone platform in front of the shrine building. The Gyeongmyo ancestral rite is performed here. The simple, vast space emphasizes the solemnity and sanctity of the ceremony. 3. Gyeongmyo Jeri ancestral rite and Jeriak ritual music. These are key reasons why Gyeongmyo was designated a World Heritage Site. Gyeongmyo Jeria, the largest and most formal of the national rites. During the Joseon era, it is performed by the Jeonju-yi Clan Association. On the first Sunday of May every year, Gyeongmyo Jeriak ritual music refers to the instrumental music gyeok, songs, akjang, and dance ilmu used during the rite. It is also designated as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity. 4. Visitor information. Guided tour to preserve the cultural heritage. Free viewing is restricted. Visits are conducted as time-scheduled tours, accompanied by a guide. Tours available in Korean, English, Japanese, and Chinese. Main access closely accessible by walk from Jongno. 3ga Station subway lines 1-3 Pient. Gyeongmyo may lack the vibrant colors and structures of Gyeongbokgung or Cheongdaeokgung, but within its restrained beauty and solemnity lies the enduring spirit of the 500-year-old Joseon dynasty. Gyeongmyo viewing hours and closing days is every Tuesday. Viewing method: visitors must participate in a guided tour that departs at fixed times. Free viewing every Saturday and on Culture Day last Wednesday of every month. Free viewing is permitted. On other days, please check the guided tour schedule in advance.